Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? I was too until I discovered a faceless YouTube system that let me earn without ever picking up a camera. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I quit my job using a simple content strategy that works behind the scenes. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on passive income and digital freedom. Let's get started. 1. Discovering the power of faceless YouTube. I stumbled on faceless YouTube while searching for ways to earn money without being on camera. I realized some channels had millions of views without ever showing a face or revealing identity. They used voiceovers, slideshows, animations, and stock clips to deliver helpful, viral content. It clicked instantly. This was a real business model that worked with just knowledge and effort. I studied popular channels in niches like facts, finance, motivation, and storytelling formats. It wasn't about being famous, it was about solving problems or entertaining in clever ways. Every faceless creator was building income quietly while keeping their privacy completely intact. What mattered was consistency, content quality, and audience-focused value in each video. Even better, startup costs were low: just a laptop, free tools, and strong content ideas. 2. Choosing a niche that earns and scales. The key to success was picking a niche where content could be produced fast and scaled easily. I listed topics I enjoyed, researched keywords, and studied what people were already watching. Faceless channels thrived in motivation, tech reviews, luxury, business tips, and curiosities. I picked one with high ad rates, endless content ideas, and a large, global audience. Finance was my choice. It pays well, solves problems, and performs great with voiceover styles. I made sure my niche had potential for affiliate income, product mentions, or digital offers. The goal was clear: make helpful, repeatable videos people could binge and share daily. I kept things focused: one niche, one format, and a growing library of faceless content. 3. Writing scripts that hook and help. Every video started with a tight script designed to capture attention in the first 5 seconds. I followed the structure: hook, context, solution, detail, and call to action at the end. I used curiosity-driven openings to keep people watching longer and clicking on next videos. Short sentences, direct tone, and useful facts kept the script engaging and easy to narrate. The best scripts were clear, problem-focused, and gave viewers instant takeaway value. I outlined 10 video ideas weekly and wrote 3 to 5 minute scripts for each in one sitting. Writing became faster with practice. I created templates to rinse and repeat easily. Research was key. I used Reddit, Quora, and YouTube comments to find what people cared about. I sprinkled keywords naturally so the script performed well for YouTube's search engine. 4. Using AI and tools to create videos fast. I didn't need fancy software. I used free or low-cost tools to produce everything efficiently. For voiceovers, I started with text-to-speech, then upgraded to affordable narrators later. Visuals came from stock libraries, public domain footage, and AI-generated background clips. Templates helped me recreate the same video style with different content again and again. The system was simple: script, record, edit, export, and upload 3 times per week. By batching tasks, I created weeks of content in just a few focused weekend sessions. The more I used tools, the faster I became. Automation saved hours of editing time. 5. Growing the channel with data-driven strategy. Success didn't come from guessing, it came from analyzing what worked and doing more of it. I tracked metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and retention to improve each upload. Thumbnails were critical. I tested bold text, clean designs, and curious expressions weekly. Titles needed to trigger emotion or curiosity, so I studied headline formulas that worked. I watched which videos outperformed others and doubled down on that specific topic style. Playlists grouped related videos together, increasing views and total time on the channel. Pinned comments, callouts, and end screens kept viewers moving to other helpful content. I used community posts to engage followers, ask questions, and promote new uploads. 6. Monetizing with multiple income streams. Once I gained views, I activated AdSense to start earning from every watch on my channel. But I didn't stop there. I added affiliate links in descriptions for products I mention. I reviewed apps, books, and tools that paid commission when viewers made purchases later. I created simple digital downloads, cheat sheets, and guides that matched my video topics. With time, I added sponsorship deals from small brands looking to reach targeted viewers. I built an email list by offering free resources in exchange for a quick email sign-up. That email list became a valuable traffic source for launching my own digital products. 7. Building a schedule that runs itself. I created a weekly routine. Research on Mondays, scripting on Tuesdays, editing midweek. I recorded voiceovers and video edits in batches, so weekends were always production days. 3 uploads per week was my target. It was enough to stay active and grow consistently. I used project boards to track each video's stage: idea, script, recorded, edited, uploaded. Automation helped. I scheduled uploads ahead of time and used AI to handle basic editing. I even outsourced thumbnails and voiceovers once I made enough to reinvest in my time. This made the channel nearly hands-off. I just focused on strategy and new content angles. Time freedom came from planning, batching, and refining how I spent each work session. 8. Replacing my job income and making the leap. Once my YouTube channel consistently made over $1,000 weekly, I made a plan. I calculated my monthly expenses and tracked how much YouTube was covering on its own. For 3 months straight, I saved every dollar earned and avoided lifestyle inflation. I set a goal: when YouTube paid all my bills for 90 days, I would leave my job with confidence. It was scary. Quitting meant no steady paycheck, no health benefits, and no boss to follow. But the numbers did not lie. My channel grew while I slept, and new videos earned every day. I gave notice, thanked my employer, and took my leap into full-time digital entrepreneurship. That moment felt surreal. I left behind the grind to build my own dream on my own schedule. 9. Scaling the system into multiple channels. Once I mastered the process, I replicated it in other niches to grow new income streams. I launched a second Faceless channel in the health niche, using the same workflow I created. Then I added a third channel focused on motivation and storytelling with AI voiceovers. Each channel had a specific goal: ad revenue, affiliate sales, or email list growth tactics. I hired a scriptwriter and editor to free up more of my time for strategy and content ideas. I created standard operating procedures so tasks could be handed off without confusion. Now, every channel became a mini business, managed with templates, systems, and tools. One channel paid my bills, the others became investments that grew with time and effort. I watched as subscribers multiplied, and my library of videos became digital real estate. And best of all, I did it all without showing my face or needing to be an influencer. 10. Lessons I learned on this journey. Success came from doing simple things daily, not from waiting for the perfect moment. Most people fail because they give up too soon or chase every new shiny object online. Faceless YouTube worked because I stuck to one niche, one system, and repeated with focus. I learned to ignore likes and subscribers at first and focus on improving every single video. Done is better than perfect. What matters is publishing, learning, and iterating fast. Every video I posted taught me more than any course or book could have done alone. Investing in tools and systems was smarter than trying to do everything myself forever. Building online income is about playing long games, not overnight results or fake hacks. Quitting my job was the reward, but the real win was freedom, confidence, and control. I proved to myself that quiet creators can build real businesses without fame or followers. Faceless YouTube is not magic, but it works if you work it with patience and clear goals. And it all started with one simple idea and the courage to publish the very first video. Quitting my job wasn't a leap of faith, it was a system anyone can follow. Which part of this strategy would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real strategies on faceless content, YouTube growth, and financial freedom. Stay tuned for more ways to take control of your future.